This is October 14th, 2023, the day of the Ring of Fire annular solar eclipse across a big chunk of the country. Here in upstate South Carolina, we expected 40–50% of the sun to be covered, but we had seen the total solar eclipse here. We were in a perfect spot for that back in 2017, so we weren't real concerned about seeing this, but we got back in time to see part of it. I couldn't find my solar viewing glasses, so I just punched a couple of pinholes, this cardboard. It's an inexpensive, cheap way to do it. Nearly everybody's got a piece of cardboard or something laying around. So just wanted to show you how I did that, and hope you find this interesting. Thank you. I used this awl and this nail punch here to make these holes. All made a pretty clean hole here and here. I widened that one just to see the effect of a bigger hole with this. So anything you've got around that'll make a decent hole should work. This is a very easy and safe way to project a solar eclipse onto a surface that's safe for viewing. This diagram shows how I made the pinhole projector for viewing the solar eclipse we had on October 14th, 2023. It's kind of a last minute thing. I hadn't prepared for this, but since the eclipse was still visible while we had come back from shopping, I decided to go ahead and try this. Just took a piece of cardboard. I actually punched two holes, but what this is showing here is one. But the light from the sun, in this case about 40% covered by the moon, will project through, and in a pinhole box camera, the image is usually flipped upside down. That's the way I've shown this. Didn't really verify that, but I think this is probably right. So this is how I did it, and it can work really well. It's a good, easy, safe way that anybody could do to observe a solar eclipse. Okay, I cut two small holes in this piece of cardboard. It's, what time is it? 12:30 here in South Carolina. If you look closely down there, you can see. Will you hold this, honey?
Hold what?
This cardboard, so that this thing stay there. Zoom in a little bit. The smaller hole makes a little more clear impression because we don't have a complete eclipse here. We had 40–50%. It's on its way down right now, but you can see it just using a little pinhole and a piece of cardboard. That's how you do it. A little better angle helps. It's going away now, but you can see it. Partial eclipse. Now this was taken later in the day when the eclipse was gone. Okay, if you look carefully, you'll see once the eclipse is gone, the circles of light are round. They don't have that little arc moving into them like you did when the moon was partially blocking the sun. So I think the smaller hole gives a little clearer cut definition. Probably a metal, something thinner, cardboard, makes a cleaner hole, might work better, but at the last minute, this wasn't too bad. It's a way to do it. Hope you found this video interesting, maybe useful to you. If you did, please like it and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you.